Aquarians, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for January 2021. This is your relationship reading. I will again advise you that as usual, first see your generic readings, generic predictions, and then come to the relationship reading. We are going to cover a lot of areas here wherein a different set of people, how do they really deal into the relationship, what are you expecting from your partners, how is your partner treating you, what are the energies of your partner in which week. So we will do that. A lot of you, since it is a generic reading, different Aquarians will resonate to the different weeks or maybe different energies of this is reading. This 100% resonation in generic readings is a look becomes a little difficult because we are reading for the entire group altogether, entire people who belong to this sign. We're reading it generically for them. So let's get ahead. The very first week is very important for you because I think in this relationship where you are right now, sharing is something which is lacking. Now, what kind of a sharing I'm talking about? I'm talking about a sharing wherein what you really like yourself, what exactly you want to do in life, that's something which is missing here. So you both are actually not sharing your true selves with each other. What you like, how do you really feel about the relationship, what do you feel about your partner. So sharing is something which will improve your relationship drastically, Aquarian. So if you are not into sharing mode right now, you hide things from each other, or maybe you're not, you feel a little introvert when it comes to talking to your partner about your needs, then I will say that time has come. Please talk to each other. Share your likes, dislikes about each other. You can found a very good, very passionate association altogether, which is very beautiful and interactive. But for to start that, to initiate that, and to have a beautiful family together, that's what you desire also. I think that you need to share first with each other what exactly you want, what are your expectations in this relationship, and then only you can move ahead. Family time is there on cards. You will spend some good time with family, but being around with family, being surrounded by family members, my suggestion to you is that take out some time for yourself also, because that passion is there but it is missing because of your lack of your contribution towards each other. Okay, so that's very important thing. So please share, start sharing, start talking, start spending some good time together. My advice to you, Aquarians. Well, the second week for a few Aquarians is something which is talking about self-respect and self determination. That's something which is very important. Respecting yourself, prioritizing yourself is something which should be there for you, important this week, in the second week of January, because I think you are not respecting yourself enough, Aquarians. And unless you do not show your importance to yourself, the other people will not consider you to be important, because if you will yourself take yourself lightly, why would I take you seriously, right? It works that way. So work on yourself. You feel like that you are trapped in a relationship, you are stuck in this relationship, it is like a punishment to you, but who will release these bandages out of your hand? You yourself will have to help yourself here. Your partner maybe is acting a little aggressive with you right now. They are very aggressive. They are, they want things just like that. So the way they treat you is that they tell you that I want this, and they want you to present it in front of them right away, or maybe the very next second. It cannot happen that way. You need to tell them I am not comfortable with this, or maybe this is something I will not do. So if you will not express your unhappiness about something, how would they get to know that you want some freedom, or maybe you want some space? Say it, and until and unless you don't say it, it will not happen, right? Okay. Moving ahead, moving to the third week, Aquarians, and that third week is very beautiful week, and I will tell you why. Because it is talking about clarity, it is talking about clear-headed approach. Now, why do I really say that? I think that you were uh, you know you were dealing with maybe two relationships, or you were dealing with a situation wherein you were confused about your relationship. You did not know you should go ahead or you should not go ahead in this relationship. I think third week is going to give you that chance where you will decide about your partner, you will decide that you want to be in this relationship, and you will move ahead accordingly. So this week gives you what? Mental clarity, cutting yourself on irrelevant values, irrelevant things, irrelevant people, irrelevant situations, things which do not, you don't belong to that thing, or maybe it's not required in your life anymore. So that's what my suggestion to Aquarians is. The third week, be well prepared to experience that phase wherein you are clear in your mind that what exactly you want in a relationship here. So third week is a very good week, very very clear week, giving you a clear indication that your life is going to be in which direction. So if you were confused, okay. I want to tell a couple of you that you are in a relationship where you know it is not going to work out. You are in a relationship where you know there is something fishy happening behind your back. You certainly know it, but you are ignoring. Okay. And why are you ignoring? I'll tell you the reason also. You're ignoring because of your kids. You don't want to spoil the family. You don't want to spoil the family peace. And that is the reason that you are ignoring all these red flags which are coming your way. You are acting as if you are in a very happy-go-lucky kind of an environment. Everything is very nice, very good. You are happy together, but no, it is not like that. You can certainly see the red flags. You are able to see them, but you are ignoring them. And God knows why are you doing that? Because even if you don't want to break the relationship, my suggestion to you will be that please confront the person, and then I'm not saying interrogating the person, but I'm just saying confront the person and tell them this is what you sense, and is this correct, is this not correct, you have seen this or that. So please have a clarity there. Ignoring, closing your eyes from what is happening in front of you is not the solution to anything. So please take care of yourself really very well. Please take care of the people around you very well, but then not compromising your self-respect. The conclusion of this reading for you is, and which I will have to again repeat for you, is very first thing that you will have to start loving yourself. When you love yourself, when you love yourself, you're loving yourself, number one. But while loving yourself, you are not forgetting yourself and the people around you. You are keeping your partner along, and in this association, you are expressing what is right and what is wrong for you, what you don't like, what you do like in the relationship, keeping your self respect upper, and then, along with that, maintaining a balance in your relationship. Third thing is something which is going to give you clarity in this month. So you will have a proper clarity in relationship, exactly what do you really want to be in this relationship or no. And fourth thing, which is very important, I will say that please identify the red flags which are there, confront them, clear them, have clarity. Maybe it was just an illusion which was there in your mind. Clear that out, and then life is good. That's what I feel for you in this month. Hope you are doing well, and I wish you a very happy new year. And take care of yourself very very well. Reach out to me for your personalized reading on 8448901791. Email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. You can visit me on my Facebook page, Instagram, and then website also. So take care, and God bless you guys. Bye bye.